channel. Hello everyone, this is Arjun from A13 Speaks channel. Today we are going today I'm going to speak about something interesting. And so this interesting topic which I'm going to speak about, of course the people who watch films a lot will like it a lot. Well, the hint which I gave related to today's topic, the people who found the meaning of the hint, congrats. People who cannot found the meaning of the hint, then please press the bell icon and subscribe the A13 Speaks channel. And so today the topic I'm going to speak about is about the real life Darbar. Real life Darbar. So now you guys know that what is the name of the film which Rajinikanth acted. Yes, the film name is Darbar. Well, Darbar is a 2020 film in which Rajinikanth, Yogi Babu, Nayanthara, Nivetha Thomas acted, and it is a film produced by Subhaskaran Ali Raja and directed by A.R. Murugadas. Well, I'm not here to talk about the film's reviews or about its box office, but I'm here to speak about the real life Darbar. Yes, the Darbar story matches into a real life cop story, and that real life cop is Y.C. Pawar, the Deputy Commissioner Police of Mumbai. So Y.C. Pawar was the DCP or DCP of the Mumbai Police, Deputy Commissioner of Mumbai Police. Well, he came into center of attraction, also limelight, you can say that, in 1975 in Malegaon. In Malegaon, he solved a problem. He solved a problem, and not only he solved a problem, he also made sure that he must solve the mess in the police, because everything was mess in the police. Like, for example, police had no proper house. Police had no proper houses. Police had no parade grounds. There were problems in polices in the Mumbai police. And so how in Darbar Aditya Arnachalam make sure that the Mumbai police is strong and people think good about the Mumbai police. Like that, Y.C. Pawar did the same, and he he walked through the city every night at night and woke up the cops. Well, then the rule of order was back in Malegaon. Everything was proper, even the police also. Like how in Darbar Rajinikanth does. The same Y.C. Pawar almost did. The same Y.C. Pawar did. But don't think that Y.C. Pawar actually fought with the drug mafia, because Y.C. Pawar didn't fight with any drug mafia. But yeah, Y.C. Pawar was the first cop to be against the most dangerous criminal in Mumbai, or you can also say Maharashtra, or one of the dangerous criminals in India, and his name was Varadaraj Mudaliar, also known as Vardabhai. And so Y.C. Pawar was transferred to the Zone 4, and in Zone 4 he first targeted Varadaraj Mudaliar, because that time Vardabhai was a strong criminal. Varadaraj Mudaliar was known as Vardabhai, and he was born in Tamil Nadu. Then after that he went to Mumbai, and somehow he became a big gangster in Maharashtra or Mumbai. And so then he targeted Varadaraj Mudaliar, and then he started to eliminate or imprison the gang members, most of the gang members of Varadaraj Mudaliar's gang, also known as Vardabhai. Y.C. Pawar arrested most of Vardabhai's gang members, and he also shut down Vardabhai's two of illegal businesses. And so, because of Y.C. Pawar, finally Varadaraj Mudaliar had to live his criminal empire and all his illegal businesses and everything, and he had to escape to Chennai. I mean, escape to Tamil Nadu, and so then and so then YC Power was finally successful, and YC Power said that I had to be aggressive as he was, meaning as Vardhabai was, and after Vardhabai's criminal empire and underworld empire ended, finally, uh, due to heart attack, Varadaraj Mudaliar died in Tamil Nadu. Well, this was this is how YC Pawar defeated Varadaraj Mudaliar, and so YC Pawar also solved on another case, and some cases some cases more too. Well, this was the story of how YC Pawar made Varadaraj Mudaliar, the dangerous criminal, one of the dangerous criminals in India, run away to Tamil Nadu, leaving all his illegal activities and businesses. Well, then, this is the story of YC Pawar versus Varadaraj Mudaliar. Well, as I told the story, you may, of course, imagine the film Darbar. This is how the film Darbar was shot. And so now it's time for hint time. So, tomorrow's hint is something related to tourism. Well, I can give you the hint of the country, and the country hint is that in the country you can get famous and precious stones. Well, you must be excited to know what is the country and what are those stones. Well, I'm not talking about diamond. Well, find the meaning of the hint and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. And don't worry, this coronavirus will end. And stay safe, be safe, or corona will enslave you. Until then, bye everybody. Bye. See you on next video.